Hello everyone, my name is Marianne D, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your own application. Do I need to be a developer for that? No. Do I need coding skills for that? No. So what do I need? Buzzy. Buzzy is a super simple application which allows you to create applications in no time, just a couple of minutes. I'm going to show you how. So what can you use Buzzy for? One good example is if your HR department is running a campaign recruiting people. They can create a job application form in a couple of minutes. They can also create a form collecting data from the staff. How many will attend this year's Christmas dinner? But I'm going to create a checklist application. Let's say we have a big warehouse and we have a person walking around that warehouse checking light bulbs and all other things that can be broken. What you see here is the first page of Buzzy and all my buzzes. But I'm going to create a new one, and that I do on the plus sign. This page is full of templates that we have created for you if you think it's a little bit tricky to create from scratch. But I'm going to do that. I'm clicking here, new blank buzz. Here is my application. It's empty and it doesn't look very good. First thing I want to do is change this picture. Click the camera button. Upload image and choose a good image. Here I can choose the size of it. I'm choosing original. Much better. And done. Two small things here. First of all, you see that this application is private. Only I can see it at the moment. It's also in draft mode, which means that it's not published. I scroll down a bit, and now it is time to add content in my application. There is already a little content block here, a text block. I can remove it. I can also use it. I'm actually going to use it and write an instruction for the person walking around that warehouse. To edit, I click this little pen here, select all text and delete. Contact Anita for help. Now I'm going to do my checklist. For that I click add content. Here is a range of content you can add in your application. One good thing is maybe a Google map if the person doesn't find the warehouse. I can also add images and videos, etc. I'm going to add a to-do list. To-do list is empty. We need to fill it. And now you know how to do it. Click the pen. And now I click the little arrow as well. Properties. Here I have loads of options. I'm gonna show you a few. Otherwise this video will be 1 hour long. Title. I'm giving it title Warehouse 1. On the submit menu I have choices on who can submit information in this application. One thing I'm gonna change here is my submit button. For now it says add new task. Done for the day. And I want it in red. I click menu, results. Here I choose who can see the results of this application. I'm letting it be as it is. I'm clicking fields. This is where the action is. There is already a checklist in my application with all this information in it, but I'm gonna change it a little bit because it's too much for me. I'm gonna remove this checkbox by clicking this little button here. I'm gonna remove the text, but I'm keeping the checklist because that's what I want. I'm giving the checklist a title. Please check it all. So what are they gonna check? Lamps. Door handles. Floors. That's enough for now, I think. I need to change the permissions of this field. Anyone. And always visible. I want the person to add today's date as well. And this I do here. Due date. No, I'm changing that as well. Today's date. I can choose if I want to have this field mandatory or not. I change permissions to anyone as well. And then I remove everything else that is in here. Now I click done and let's see. Oh, here is my form. Scroll down a bit so you see it. I have my title. I have my title for the actual checklist. And I have my little checklist. I have today's date. And I also have my red nice button done for the day. Wait. Let's say a lamp is broken. What will they do then? I think I need to add a text field actually. I'm going back into this menu. Properties. Fields. Add new component. Text. Add component. It's in the bottom. I don't want it in the bottom. I drag it to the middle here. The text field needs a little instruct. Something broken? Question mark. And who should see this field? Anyone? And done. Much better. The last thing to do is actually to publish this and to send it to my warehouse people. Easiest way to publish it is to click this button here, Publish Draft. And now it is time to share it. Scroll up a bit. Remember that this application still is in private mode, so I need to change that. I click these 3 little dots here and settings. I have 3 options here. To have my application in private mode, so only I can see it. In unlisted mode, where only the people that has the link can see it, or public mode, where everyone can see it. I chose public mode this time. I also need to give my application a name. Warehouse check. And done. Now I'm gonna fetch the link. 3 dots again. Scroll down. Share. This is the actual link to this bus. Anyone that has this link can use this application. They don't have to be logged in anywhere or in your organization or anything. Just give them the link. Ctrl C. And let me go to another browser. Paste link, enter. And voila, here we have it. This is what my warehouse people see. So let's say I'm working in the warehouse now. I'm checking the lamps, I'm checking the door handles. I'm not checking floor today, but I'm checking something else. Maybe the chairs. And add. Check. Something broken? Yes. And today's date. Done for the day. We immediately see the result above this checklist. If I want to see the details, I just click this row. I can delete this entry or just click done. This is in real time, so I see the results as soon as they click done for the day button. Let me go back to my view of the application. Yes, we have a result. One amazing thing is that the warehouse people, they don't have to carry their laptops around. Just download the Buzzy app from the App Store and do it all on your phone. And that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye!